I'm Anil Kumar and Ellen. Here is the solution to the question which you wanted to find the answer of. It is question 11, page 376, Nelson Advanced Functions, grade 12. The question is, state the transformation that have been applied to f of x equals to cos x to obtain f of x equals to minus 2 over 3 cos of minus 2x plus pi by 3 minus 1. Now, whenever you have an equation like this, it is very important to factor the terms inside, and that creates difficulty in getting the right answer. So the trick here is rewrite the given function. So I'm writing it big and bold so that you understand. This is minus 2 is the coefficient for x, which should be factored. So we get minus 2 here, and then we're left with x. When you divide pi by 3 by minus 2, you get minus pi by 6. And I hope now you understand why you were not getting the right answer right. So this clearly gives you the correct phase shift, which is pi by 6 units to the right. So you can now pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestion, correct? So I'm just putting some dots here, giving you time. Okay, so let's begin by writing the transformations for this particular function. We can begin from left to right. That's a good way of writing transformation. So this minus means reflection on x-axis. So whatever is outside means these terms, they are vertical in nature. When we say reflection in x-axis, so it's kind of like this, so vertical in nature. And 2 over 3, since 2 over 3 is less than 1, so that is vertical compression by a factor of 2 over 3. Now let's move inside the bracket. So inside the bracket, it is all horizontal, right? So this is all horizontal. Minus here means is reflection on y-axis. So it is horizontal if the wave is kind of reflected like this, reflection on y-axis. This is horizontal in nature. Number 2, here is the k value, which says that there will be 2 waves within a period of 2 pi. That means everything has been shortened to half, right? So that means horizontally compressed by a factor of half. Now this minus pi by 6 is horizontal translation, pi by 6 to the right. So we can say translate pi by 6 to right. And this minus 1 is vertical translation. Let me combine here itself and write this as translate or move vertically down by 1 unit. Translate 1 unit down. Right. So that is how you can actually write transformations for the given function. Now I'll request you to sketch this function also, right? That will be very interesting. Remember, cos is an even function, so that is kind of critical note. Cos of minus theta is equals to cos of theta. It is even in nature. Do you see that? So that is to say that this minus here will really not change much, since, let me explain you this part also before you get into sketching. Good for you that this question here is not asking for sketching. Well, if you see the cosine function, it kind of starts like this, and if you reflect it on this side, you get the continuation of the same. Do you see that? So it is an even function, right? So this reflection will really not affect much of it. So I take that into consideration and sketch a graph. I think that will give you good information and understanding of this particular topic. Thank you and all the best.